In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the fillet or how to use the fillet command in Fusion 360. So where do we find the fillet command? Under your solid tab, we will see modify panel. We've got there in the middle fillet, or if you can see there in the little bracket, you've got F. So if I had to press F, it will activate the fillet command. Now, on the left-hand side over here, you'll see at the top, I've got three different ways of creating a fillet. You've got your normal fillet, you've got your rule fillet, and you've got your full round fillet. So let's take a look at the fillet. So with this fillet command over here, I can go and select an edge, and it gives me that edge, and it doesn't say, or it doesn't give me a number, but I can grab that arrow, push it up and down, and you'll see it'll make the fillet bigger or smaller. Now if I want to select the second fillet over here, okay, it's not allowing me to. Clicking. So what we need to do is actually hold down Control on the keyboard, and then it allows me to then go and select these additional edges over here. I just want to go back 1 second. So going back to my fillet, if I had just gone and started selecting my fillet, you'll notice there that it does add all 4 edges without having me to hold down the Control button. It is only after I put in a value that if I want to add additional edges, I have to hold down the Control key. Okay. So there's two different ways of creating this radius. So you can either have it as a constant radius type, or you can have a chord length. Okay. What you'll notice with the chord length for something like this corner over here, it actually comes in, and the corner type there is a setback. Okay. So if I take a look back over constant over here, you'll see this corner over here. If I go to my setback, it will then put a setback over here, but with a constant radius. Okay, not the chord length that I was specifying over there. The second type of fillet that I can create is a rule fillet. Okay, so with the rule fillet, I've got two different types. So all edges or between faces and features. So it creates a fillet at the intersection of selected faces or features that I select. So if I just do, sort of all edges, and let's go select everything. 1. Okay, so there we go. So, let's make it 2, make it a bit bigger. Okay, so I've selected everything over there, and you'll notice there it's got rounds and fillets. So it's just creating everything. Now what I can do is I just do all rounds. Notice there on the inside, it's not putting a fillet on, only on this outside. So it's kind of a convex. I do fillets only, then it does a concave. Now you'll notice there in the corner type is setback. So we can take rolling ball, and it does that over there. I like my setback. It looks much nicer. Okay, and so that's the second way of doing it. And the third way of creating your fillet type is the full round fillet. And with the full round fillet, it allows me to select the center face, and it will then go do a full round. So I don't need to actually know what the radius of that is, what the distance is between the two there. I just need to come through and with that full round fillet, select the face, and it will create the full round fillet for me over there. Okay, so those are the different ways that you can create fillets inside your Fusion 360. Thank you very much for watching.